Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Roku pin, quick recovery step by step clearly. First, make sure your Roku device is connected to the internet so the changes can sync properly. On your phone or computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type my.roku.com and press enter. Click sign in and enter the email address and password you use for your Roku account. If you forgot your Roku account password, click Forgot Password and follow the email reset steps to regain access. After you sign in, look for the section called Pin Preference in your account settings. If you do not see it right away, scroll down until you find Pin Preference or Security Settings. Click Update next to Pin Preference to open the pin options. Choose the option that matches your needs, such as requiring a pin for purchases and adding channels. If you want to remove the old pin requirement, select the option that disables requiring a pin for purchases. If you want to keep pin protection but change the pin, continue to the pin creation fields. In the new pin field, enter a 4-digit number that you can remember but others cannot guess easily. In the Confirm Pin field, type the same 4-digit number again to confirm it. Double-check that both pin entries match exactly before saving. Click Save Changes or Update to apply your new Roku pin settings. Wait a few seconds for Roku to process and store the updated pin preference. Now pick up your Roku remote and press the Home button to go to the main screen. Go to Settings on the Roku device to confirm it is connected and working normally. Select System, then select About, and verify the device is linked to the same Roku account you just added. Return to the home screen and try to add a free channel to test whether a pin prompt appears. If it asks for a pin, enter your new 4-digit pin and confirm it works. If it does not ask for a pin and you expected it to, go back to my.roku.com and recheck your pin preference choice. If your Roku still requests the old pin, restart the Roku by going to Settings, System, Power, and System Restart. After the restart, try the same action again to confirm the updated pin is now in effect. If you share the Roku account with family members, tell them the new pin rules to avoid confusion. For extra safety, avoid using common pins like 0000, 1234, or your birth year. If you suspect someone else changed your pin settings, change your Roku account password immediately as well. Finally, keep your Roku account email secure because pin recovery always starts from account access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.